Hello guys, I'm Meet Sony. Welcome back to my channel. So guys, today's video is honestly one of the biggest opportunity video for freshers because we have three amazing software opportunities from well-known companies. Out of these, two are full-time software engineering opportunities. One is a software engineer internship, and the companies hiring today are Amazon and Velocix Solutions. So make sure to watch this video till the end. Now let's start with the first opportunity. The first company is Amazon and they are hiring software development engineer. This is a full-time opportunity for 2025 and 2026 students, and honestly whenever Amazon opens fresher hiring, thousands of students wait for it because getting Amazon on your resume is a huge boost for your career. Now, unlike many companies that simply ask you to maintain existing applications, Amazon engineers actually build products used by millions of customers every single day. Now, let's understand what your responsibilities will be. You will design and develop scalable software solutions. You will work on distributed systems that can process massive amount of data while remaining fast and reliable. You will also collaborate with engineers from different teams to build new product features and improve existing systems. Apart from that, you will write clean, maintainable code, participate in software design discussions, and solve complex engineering problems using efficient algorithms and data structures. So, overall, this is exactly the kind of engineering experience that help developers grow into strong product engineers. Now, let's talk about the required skills. They have mentioned programming languages like Java, Python, C, C++, and Perl. Along with that, they expect strong knowledge of data structures and algorithms, object oriented programming, distributed systems, software design, CS fundamentals, and problem solving. So yeah, this is Amazon. So they will ask you a DSA question in your technical interview. So make sure to check out this 15 plus top company DSA questions. You will get questions from Microsoft, Amazon, and much more. Link for this is in the description box. And if you have already completed the internships, built good development projects, or have experience with databases or distributed computing concept, your profile becomes even stronger. Now, coming to the eligibility, you should have a bachelor's degree or higher in CS or related field, and this opportunity is specifically for students graduating in 2025 or 2026. One more important point, Amazon clearly mentioned that applicants are reviewed on a rolling basis, so if you are eligible, don't wait until the last day. Apply as soon as possible because positions can get filled quickly. Now let's move on to the second opportunity. The second opportunity is also from Amazon, but this time it's for role SD1 intern. Now, before you think it's exactly the same role, there's one major difference. The internship is specifically for students graduating in 2027. So, if you are currently in your pre final year, this is probably one of the best internship opportunities you can apply. The internship duration is around 24 to 26 weeks, which is almost 6 months. During this period, you will work full time with Amazon engineering teams on real production systems. Your responsibilities are very similar to those of full-time software engineers. You will design scalable software, develop distributed applications, write code, solve algorithmic problems, and collaborate with experienced engineers. In short, you won't be doing dummy tasks, you will contribute to actual engineering products. Now coming to the skills, Amazon is looking for students who know Java, Python, C or C++. DSA and OOPS are very mandatory. And if you have already built projects or completed previous internships, that's definitely an advantage. Another great thing is that the mentorship interns work directly with Amazon engineers, attend technical leading sessions, and get exposure to large scale engineering systems. So, if you're graduating in 2027 and aiming for product based companies like Amazon, this internship should definitely be on your top priority. Now, let's move on to the third and final opportunity. The final company is Velocix Solutions and they are hiring software engineers. Now this opportunity is quite different from first two because this is completely remote. Yes, it's a remote software engineering role and honestly, it's a remote software engineering role and honestly, remote developer jobs are becoming less common these days, so this opportunity is definitely worth checking out. Velocix builds technologies related to content delivery, video streaming, and analytics platform that are used by telecom operators and digital media companies across the world. Now let's understand what you will actually do. Instead of building customer facing application, you will mainly work on improving software quality and platform reliability. Your responsibilities include developing Python automation scripts, validating databases using SQL, analyzing logs in Linux environments, debugging software issues, testing platform integration, and building automated QA dashboards. You will also simulate high scale scenarios to ensure software performs reliably under heavy workloads. So, this role gives exposure to software engineering, automation, databases, Linux, and large scale analytic systems. Now, let's discuss the roles. The company is looking for candidates with knowledge of Python, SQL, Linux, or Unix, database validation, automation testing, log analysis, networking fundamentals, agile, and problem solving. And if you already know technologies like AWS, Azure, Selenium, Playwright, or have worked on QA automation projects, that becomes an added advantage. Coming to the eligibility, they are looking for candidates with ME, MTech, MSc, or MCA degrees in CS, IT, data science, or related fields. Since this is a remote internship, strong communication skills and the ability to work independently will also help. Now, if we compare all three opportunities quickly, if you are graduating in 2025 and 2026 and your DSA is very strong, definitely apply for the Amazon SD1. And if you are a 2027 student looking for internship, then Amazon's internship is good one. And if you're specifically looking for remote internship in a software engineering, then definitely go for the third one. Whichever role matches your profile, don't delay your application because these opportunities can close anytime once enough candidates apply. Alright guys, that's it for today's video. All the apply link are in the description box. If this video helped you, make sure to like the video, subscribe to the channel and turn on the notifications so you don't miss out my next opportunity update video. And if you want any particular job update in a particular domain, make sure to comment down so I can bring it in front of you. I will see you in the next one. Till then, keep learning and keep applying. Thanks for watching guys.